Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, Omo, my brothers and sisters. I beg if not for Facebook, they watch me. I beg you know what you're supposed to do before you go now. Now me, the real girl. This one are Jew empires now, and I still mindful that I wanna say know me. When I know now, I don't come back, but I can't throw wetin dey happen for now. Make I can't know wetin dey happen because it don't pay when it be say I put body for this government matter. But what it come push me, come at night, be say now the matter inside they hear about NYSC. Hey, Jesus. NYSC money be say they don't talk about them. That time say they go school now 2014 that year when it be say I won't serve 2015 we go dey serve we go dey chat baba you know now you remember that year now my dear. So now come here say they won't scrabble NYSC say some people they talk and say now wasting of time may they not do am. Now say now wow this one na one of the in short I don't know wetin make dem feel say now say they won't scrabble NYSC because there's some people they contemplate because they talk say e good make dem gather the money make dem dey pay them after graduation. My dear, if I tell you wetin dey take federal government before they even increase NYSC money, you go know say it's better make dem even dey pay them because make I just try to correct one thing here. If dem mistakenly scrabble this NYSC matter comot for ground, my dear, that money be say if you say they go dey pay students wey after they graduate, you go see say issues go dey happen because some people go even use students name when e be say no even dey school. Na that time you go take know say yes, minister of finance the man go get another means of collecting money or even the minister of education. You go see and say the guy go get another level of collecting money because by that time they go put students wey be say even as this NYSC matter dey ground so some people say they even dey give them wey they carry the name dey go say then they pay for NYSC. Some of them say they receive money. Some of them the student name not dey. They collect their money. They consider they come scrabble and say when you graduate, you go see and say that time you be say students if you say they expect from school, then go collect the money. Students if you say he drop out, then go collect the money. Students if you say he get wahala, then go collect the money. That time they go come get ghost students. You know they say they get ghost workers now. I clean sweat, I read. Then they get ghost workers. You go see so go they get ghost students. So it's not that they talk so. Even despite the ghost student, you go say that when student graduate, before you go fit get this money, my dear, you go write application tire, you go waka tire. You know say Nigeria government, their matter, you get as they be. So for me, make they look and well before they go talk and say they want scrabble NYSC come out for Nigeria. Make they look well. Now that one I can't drop for now for you. The another news when they say bring me come here and say, I can't surprise say it get one matter what I see. But as I talk and chat when I go watch the video, you know say the thing a small clip, but it dey funny. I don't know say big men they cry you. You know say since they born me, I never see where big man cry. Hi Jesus. I never see where big man cry you. You know say big men they believe say that stone where they throw for poor men zinc. Where they throw for poor man zinc. They don't know say that stone they heavy if the stone come back to them. Now so this stone where they throw, they don't throw stones, they don't throw stones since for poor man. You get the way God come do the thing. Now this stone hit one big man zinc. As this stone hit one big man zinc, after they see big men they cry, big man cry. They come they complain. My dear, not be on any other matter. Now about our COS, at the organ for chief of army when he died. As the guy died, so matter come they come up like this, so we can't see one man. Maybe say come they cry. My dear, before I continue, make I play on the clip, so I go see the clip where we say where big man till they cry. I better make you watch the video. I will come back.
Next is the next of kin to Sergeant O. Additional.
You don't watch the video, right? You don't see the video where you see the man till they cry. Now so the matter be. You know say one thing, Nigeria government, they really know say if they throw stone, if they throw stone, they give the poor masses. When the stone go roll come back like this, they no go even expect them. Nobody expects say they see the organ of army, the man go die, the chief of army staff, they no even expect them. The man die, his wife die. My dear, the matter, he get a CP. He get a CP because you know say this God say they waiting for Nigeria, so this God say will get so they don't forget say God na God of vengeance. E no good though. No be say death na wetin dey happy for. But e get some kind time wey person don put hand for some kind things like this. If the person oof like this, e go be like say the person na relief. You know the English they call relief? The English they call relief, be say, now you come like say somebody free. Come like say person say they for wait they for person say they for shame, or person say they for prison. You come say the person free small. We know say we still get army, they go put another chief of army staff, but at least this one now you come the place say God, they come say God don't dey vex to the way we say the way Nigeria government take dey rule us, they go be like say they go know say God dey vex somehow. So them go they take their time, maybe they make sure say they put things say they're supposed to be in order. I say just be so big man come cry. Hey, Oga, make you clean your tears. You know, say clean them like this. Take the ankle, make you clean the tears. If you use style clean them, like say you dey clean and sweat, but the man not fit to the man just dey use the ankle. You can't just dey cry, That one I don't want camera capture. Who know the one man don't cry for inside house before? Oh, you know one thing. Nobody him that laugh. How do you call him? He that laugh last, laugh the best. They know this one. He that cry last, he cry the best. You see this cry, this man cry. So if you know how much they go say this cry for House of Rock, if you know how much they go say this cry for House of Rock, Jesus. Very soon, if you see. If another person cry this kind of cry again, you go to say, you go here say allocation for crying. You go to yes, you go to pay ministers for crying. My dear, when we go to the next news, Joe. The next news not be any better news, cha. But you get where the thing be. The news come to show people say they travel, my dear. If you want, you see traveling, See, we don't say Nigeria bad. Nigeria we like to travel because of the bad situation of our country, you understand? Now make us they want travel, but they want struggle for other countries, and I make come like say they come they look us like say we not come get country, you understand? Some people come they stress their life, they take their life, they go mines, all because they want for the country. Mind dear, make I just drop one advice for you, Sha. Instead of you to come off your country, come go waste your life for road, reach you not reach, to a country you not stay. It's better you there for your Nigeria so that you go manage. If there is no means of you going out, make you not force your destiny, because some of these travels will travel so it don't end many people's destiny. You don't take many people to untimely deaths. You don't make some kind ladies they end up their life in a place they don't end them. Even some people never die, they still their life, but because they don't know where they don't know where they go to find them. I mean, they don't their parents or coffee maybe they don't die. Meanwhile, some of them don't even get belly for road. Some of them on the process of traveling, they get pregnant for road. They don't even go back, they not go front, they not go. Some lost their life for road. You know better make you remain for Nigeria than say you can't carry your life, go risk am for road. Reach you not reach, come back you not come back. You get the way the thing be now. You understand? Anyway, you get one video this I go show now. When this I show now, so I go play the video. The video get as the video, but I go just play them. Make una see the video. They say some people they won't try to travel out, but they not confident make them because the people take waste their life for road. My dear, it's not easy. Even as we speak now like this, so Libya self no way, no going way. Libya road is hot. The place.
Libya going to no.
Anyway, Biggie, sorry, why? I'm in for currency.
I'm going to for the currency.
But you young Quadas.
Chicheno, Adiasa.
I'm preaching away, Mammy and Bempi, Edma. Problem, my boy.
It's like this, so in case you say you won't make any steps in Libya, you dey go, my dear, not even try not make mistake because the road is very, very tight. Anyway, before I continue, make I drop the clip for now, make I see the clip of what I tell now, so then I will come back for the next news. I'm not saying I don't watch the news. Don't sit there and tell you. Don't say the boy lost his life. Don't see the way the friends pull up for head. It ain't not easy. You understand? Nigeria not good. Nigeria not good. But instead of you to come lose your life for road, it's better make you go there. If not pure water, you say. Mind you, make I just tell you one thing. Even for this abroad, they will go sell. Because our currency, it low somehow. I make them. But like this now, so the currency, my dear. For where me dey like this now, if you carry their currency enter Nigeria, one of their money, one seed like this now, na 90 naira. You understand? So you come like say Nigeria currency, come like say, you know say one thing about this our Nigeria currency, the more the currency they come down, the more, as in if the currency they come down, and those who say they go buy load, from that our country, they go sell for another place until they affect pass. But if the currency, like say for example, now say the currency they come down like this, those dey for outside, the thing go dey even dey favour them, because if they carry money from outside come, if they change am, the thing go dey many. But another thing we say about Nigeria currency, we say if Nigeria currency come down, things go dey there. Na mean the thing dey affect people. So even though say Nigeria currency come down and you yourself see dey abroad, you dey hustle for that side, my dear, except say the kind country where you dey, say their money e get level well. If their money not too get level, my dear, na almost the same thing, no. Like those are there for Ghana, those are there for Togo, those are there for how do they call it, South Africa, those are there for Benin, my dear. If you carry their money enter Nigeria, now small difference inside. Because if you even calculate what you want buy for Nigeria with the money, as you don't change them, you go no say no need, no difference at all. Except so that place where you will stay, maybe those are there for Ghana, Benin, all those places, Togo, because they get light. Maybe one thing say go make you say maybe they enjoy, say you there abroad, you understand? Maybe you go enjoy say they for abroad, they abroad, say the African country. Now make Ghana call the blessing they carry shoulder, they call the blessing they treat Nigerians one kind, but all the same, that matter, they go settle that matter. Now so I come and tell you now for this matter, so anybody say you want travel, if you want travel, if you don't say you don't get better means, say you want to go, guys, see relax until God go put your way, because if your destiny not they say you go travel, if you want for some take go, so can't if you happen for road, you understand? So we need to even know whether our destiny they attached. Because if you destiny say you go travel, as they make the plans, everything go just the shell, everything go just the shell well for you. Even the same backyard you want to go set, even the same backyard go still doors go still open for the backyard. But if you look at as they try to do the backyard matter, things they bend one kind. Guy, babe, relax and move on with your life for them, because who they abroad go die, who they Nigeria go die. The only thing is that money now would they find, and the difference of Nigeria bad government. But the bad government is better you even stay than say you can't go waste your life for another man land. You say you know who gain anything.